Here's interesting app called 1010 Your Friends Know Cap walkie-talkie app. So this app just got updated. It has these amazing new features, and yeah, why is that? It's pretty cool app. It's basically walkie-talkie app. It's nothing new. There are a bunch of apps in this category, but it's a bit different. It's very easy to use, and your friends will hear you live on their phone even when their screen is locked. So yeah, even when you locked your screen, you can just hear your friends talking like you holding a real radio device. It's pretty cool. It's kind of like a Gen Z teenager app. Yeah, instead of just sending voice messages or talking to each other through WhatsApp messages or through messengers, that's like a live walkie-talkie app. So then yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe, like. So the more likes I receive, the more traction, the more views this video can get. So it's quite important for me to grow the channel. So it's super easy for you just to put like. Yeah, so it would be really, really appreciated. Also, you can visit my blog, mrhack.io, to read more about interesting apps and software and how to improve your productivity and some growth hacks and things like that. So yeah, you can find all those links in the description. So yeah, again, hit that like button and hope to see you around.